Today we are going to carry on with our patterns. Before we start, I'd like you to write today's date and the heading handwriting. Then you are going to rule off. Let's look at our first pattern. It is the M pattern. You are going to start at the top of the line and go down, up and around. Down, up and around. Make sure that your pattern is touching both the top and the bottom lines. Now let's do this in our workbooks. You are going to do this the same as last time. You are going to do 4 of the pattern followed by a finger space. You're going to go down, up and around. Try to do at least 2 patterns per line. Like last time, we are going to do 3 lines of each patterns. Remember to hold your pencil properly when you are doing your patterns. Now let's look at our next pattern. It is the slanted long line, short line. You're going to do a long line, finger space, short line, finger space. Long line, finger space, short line. Now let's do this in our workbooks. When you start your line, you are going to do a long line, finger space, short line, finger space, and keep going until you have done 4 lines. Then you are going to do 2 finger spaces in between and do your next pattern. Try to do at least 2 patterns in each line. Again, you are going to do 3 lines of each pattern. Now let's look at our last pattern. It is the K pattern. We are going to do a long line followed by a finger space and a beak. So you do a long line down, finger space and a small beak. Now let's do this in our workbook. You go down, finger space, and you are going to repeat it until you have done 3 lines. Once you are done with this activity, you should have the date and the heading at the top. Then you should have 3 of each patterns: the M pattern, the long line, short line, and the K. Then you can rule off.